Hello, this is Sudhakar Moparty. Today we will discuss about multi-factor authentication. It's a quick video. It's a very simple concept. So you have a AWS account. Let me change the color here. Okay, so you have an AWS account or you have multiple AWS accounts. So and each account has some IAM users, and you also have a root user. So the idea is you have a user ID. If it is IAM user, you have a user ID and password. And for root user, you will use email address. So you will log in. Once you log in, if MFA is enabled, multi-factor authentication, so you can use a mobile app like Google Authenticator to register this device on which this app is running. So virtual MFA device basically, and you can register that with your AWS account. Okay, so for that you log in and you go to your security credentials section, and then you enable MFA. So once you enable MFA, it's a few simple steps. What you do is you scan a QR code and enter two codes from this app. Will provide codes, and you enter them for this user. So you log in into your AWS account using your user one, enable multi-factor authentication, and go to the app and then scan a QR code and then set up your multi-factor authentication. And when you log in, after you with your user ID password, you have to come to this app for that corresponding user one. The code will be changing every 30 seconds. So you enter that in a second page of AWS console login. And then it will be verified, because the code that is coming from this should be matching when you enter after the user ID password. You need to enter that code so that this will be a two-time verification will happen. That's why it's called multi-factor authentication. Not just the user ID password, but an additional security. Only that device on which this app is running is attached to that account. Okay. So suppose if you lost this app, a mobile app, or your device, you will not be able to get in. So at that point, the administrator can, the AWS administrator for this account can come and reset, disable multi-factor authentication, and you can again register another app. Okay, so that helps. Hope that helps. So in summary, an account, and there are users, and each user should be enabled for multi-factor authentication so that an additional layer of security is available. Okay, that's all I have for today. See you in the next video.